Ito ng Grand International Organizations hereby announces the termination of Miss Rachel Gupta's title as Miss Grand International 2024 effective immediately. This decision follows her failure to fulfill her assigned duties. Big boss ng MGI through phone, at formal naman niya iyong tinanggap. Makikita nga sa post ng MGI page na soon to come ang Real Queen, showing CJ on the video. Bali-balita na may magaganap na huge crowning event para sa pagtanggap ni CJ sa corona. At noong Mr. Nawat, lagi siyang may pasabog at ayaw niya ng chip. Remember noong tinanggap ni Roberta Tamondong ang 5th runner-up position, bilang kapalit sa nagretirong 5th runner-up, Mr. Nawat gave her a crowning moment in a stage with audience. 5th runner-up pa lamang yan, what more pa kung queen talaga? For sure na isang engranding crowning moment ang naghihintay kay CJ, alam naman natin ang branding ng MGI, grand kung grand, kaya expect na natin ang pasabog na ito. Although almost 5 to 6 months na lamang ang remaining reign ni CJ as queen, still she got the crown and title as the first ever Miss Grand